This is Tim. He works as a consultant for a mom and pop enterprise that is wanting to go larger and more international. In order to do so, his managers have decided that they need to develop an enterprise architecture that will help streamline their business processes and align their IT departments and goals with their business wants and needs. To do this, Tim did some research and has talked to his managers, and they've decided on the Zachman framework. The Zachman framework will provide a formal and highly structured way of defining the entire enterprise. In order to do this, it consists of a two-dimensional matrix based on six communication questions of what, where, when, why, who, and how, along with 6 rows of coordination of scope. To do this, a representation is coming into focus with the row 1 with the scope, the enterprise model, system model, technology model, as built or deployed, and the functioning enterprise, along with the columns of what, how, where, who, when, and why. Representation of the Zachman framework is Superman, because it will help him divide what he needs to have done. Our business processes are represented by different colored Legos. When put together, the framework will be able to dictate the objective scope, and a list of things important to the business, list of the business processes. Row 2, the enterprise model, concepts, master schedules, workflows, system models, logical data, system architecture, technology model, physical data class model, data detailed representation, i.e. the programmer, the data definition, how things will work, network architecture, security, timing, and the end user as a functioning enterprise. We'll have the usable data, functionable, usable network, functioning organization, implemented schedule, and work strategy. Simply put, it will take all these business processes, stack them in orders, so instead of having a large mess on our hands, we will end up with a view of how each enterprise position is put together and how they will interact and be able to be solid with each other. It will also determine if there are any gaps and not how, but it will show them what can be done to fix those gaps if there's redundant processes. To this end, the Zachman framework will allow a business to build a wall of processes that can be used to show that yes, we are a solid business, we know what we're doing, we know how to do it, and this is how it's done. Now,